The best gaming laptop doesn't skimp on performance or portability and still comes at a reasonable price. Whether it's a sleek, ultra-thin gaming notebook or a full-on desktop replacement, gaming laptops are so much more versatile than desktop gaming PC. And here are the top 5 best gaming laptops of 2022 for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. MSI GS66 Stealth. The GS66 Stealth doesn't like to shout, but you may well shout excitedly when you use it. You get an ample 17.3-inch Full HD display, 1920 by 1080 resolution with 360 Hz refresh rate, and 3 millisecond response time, boasts impressive color and clarity. Energy-efficient LED backlight. This is an astonishingly powerful gaming laptop with up to a 10th generation Intel Core i9. That, along with 32 GB of RAM, provides an extra boost in performance to go along with the GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card. The i9 is capable of up to 5.3 GHz in single-core turbo mode. There's a new cooling system and a massive 99.9 watt-hour battery. All models have Wi-Fi 6E, Aka Killer Wi-Fi for fast and stable network performance. The GS66 has plenty of NVIDIA gaming laptop features, which all work towards making it powerful, thin, quiet, and light. MSI also claims a surprisingly high 11 hours of battery life, though you'll no doubt get much less than that playing games instead of doing general computing tasks. This is not a cheap laptop by any means, but it's an astonishing one delivering truly incredible performance. Number 4. Alienware Area 51 MR2. It isn't cheap, especially when you max out the configuration options, but this Alienware delivers serious gaming power. The default spec has a GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 6 GB of GDDR6, and you can specify cards up to the GeForce RTX 2080 with 8 GB. You can choose your display too. Base spec gets a 144 Hz Full HD, but you can go for a 60 Hz UHD display with eye tracking if you prefer. It's a similar story with RAM and storage. You can up the base 8 GB to 64 GB and the 256 GB SSD to 2 TB with up to 3 additional RAID drives. But even in base spec, this Alienware offers blistering performance and the rock-solid build quality you'd expect from a premium product. The only real downside is that it's pretty hefty. With a weight of between 4.1 and 4.7 kilograms, 9.04 to 10.04 lbs. Overall, though, Area 51 Meters R2 provides one of the most well-built, powerful, and customizable gaming laptops on the market today, and is a system all gamers must check out while researching for their next upgrade. Number 3. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro Gen 6. This laptop offers plenty of configurations for anyone who prioritizes storage space over other specs. You can get an SSD with up to 4 TB of space, which means you can download huge game files like Red Dead Redemption 2 or the 2019 release of Call of Duty, without worrying about running out of space. You can also configure the laptop with up to 64 GB of RAM for plenty of power to run the most demanding games or model 3D animations. Each configuration is built with an AMD Ryzen 7 5800A CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card for an almost future-proof rig. You'll also get Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, as well as FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility to reduce screen tearing and stuttering. And with the 6-hour battery life, you can game all evening before needing to plug in. Best of all, the Legion 5 Pro is priced aggressively. And what it lacks in flashy aesthetics, it makes up for with a gorgeous 16-inch QHD display. And despite harnessing so much power, the Legion 5 Pro delivers respectable battery life. Number 2. Asus ROG Zephyrus T14. The Asus ROG Zephyrus T14 2022 is a great gaming laptop, delivering a potent blend of performance, portability, and power efficiency. It does this thanks to its use of AMD's hot new Ryzen 7 4800 800HS processors, and NVIDIA's DTX 1650 GPU, which when partnered with plenty of RAM and a quality 120Hz 14-inch display, makes for superb, highly portable gaming results. The design is also really smart, with a dropped hinge screen and anion matrix LED display on the CNC milled dot matrix lid radiating a futuristic aesthetic. A quad speaker system that is Dolby Atmos enabled also means that for a laptop, the levels of audio it is capable of are remarkable, and the battery life on the system, too, just runs 10.7 hours of video playback. A copy of Windows 10 Pro completes the package. It's the fact that the Asus Zephyrus T14 delivers such a quality all-around gaming package in such a compact and portable form factor that sells it, though, making it a system that can be easily used for both work and play. It's only 1.60 kilogram, 3.53 pounds, so sliding it into a backpack is no problem at all. The price too, while not cheap, is nowhere near the levels of what you can spend on a gaming laptop, which all explains why to consider the Asus ROG Zephyrus T14 the best gaming laptop on the market today for most people. It simply does it all, and does it all for a great price point. Number 1. Razer Blade 15. Razer has simplified its Blade 15 lineup, removing the advanced and base models, but what's left is still a very good, thin, stylish gaming notebook. The Blade 15 remains a favorite because it has strong performance with a Core i7-100 and 27800H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti in the model we reviewed, but is just 4.4 pounds and 0.57 inches thick. You still get a variety of ports like Thunderbolt 4, both USB Type-C and Type-A, as well as an SD card reader, so there's plenty of expansion for peripherals and extra storage for games. It would even work great for productivity, though we did find some competing gaming laptops were better in non-gaming benchmarks. The Razer Blade 15 is the overall best gaming laptop on the market right now. That said, you will get some throttling because of that slimline design, and even on the larger Blade 17, the battery life can be a little slim, but you're still getting outstanding performance from a beautiful machine. Whatever config you pick, the Razer Blade 15 is the overall best gaming laptop on the market right now, though you will be paying a premium for the now classic design.